This is a Teams tutorial for exhibitors. All exhibitor representatives will have access to My Team in the top right. On the left-hand side, you'll see some navigation items. Under Meetings, any meetings that you or other representatives in your team have during this event will populate here, and you can see who your team members are meeting with. You can also create a meeting on behalf of any other team member. Simply choose the representative and type in the name of the guest you would like them to meet with. In Inbound Leads, you'll be able to review any lead that has been generated across this event. So, if a user has somehow interacted with the exhibitor profile or any exhibitor representatives associated with the profile, they will become a lead, and we can see here the tags indicating why this user is a lead. If a user sends a message in to the company chat on the exhibitor profile, this will come through to the company chat, and any team member can respond to this. We can see all of the team members here under Team Member, and the first user to log in will by default be called an admin, and they will be able to name the team. Once the team has been activated and subsequent team members enter, the admin is able to make other team members admins as well by changing their role. The admin status simply allows you to edit the profiles and availability of your other team members. Under the company profile, you'll be able to make edits to the header banner, logo, and any of these profile fields to really fill out your profile and ensure attendees have a lot of information to view about your company. You can also add products under product here, and we can see by going in to add products and photos that we can add a lot more detail to showcase any items or products and services that you would like attendees to view. Under Export, we are able to export a CSV file of all of the meetings created across this event by all of the representatives in this team. We can also export the contacts, which are viewable under the Contacts tab, in an additional file. Remember, a contact is generated by either a mutual interest swipe or an accepted meeting, so make sure you're actioning these leads that show in your inbound leads list by either creating connections or holding meetings with them. We hope you enjoy this event.